Yesterday I posted that Games Workshop was lagging behind a little bit, but I expected it to reach 10,000 before Christmas. Well, I was not expecting this. I mean, wow. Games Workshop opened up and climbed almost 19% this morning, surpassing that 10k mark for a short time. But this has put it up 150% since the crash in March and up over 300% in just over 2 years. In that same time, the UK market as a whole is down 22%. That is how well this company is doing right now. All this downward pressure and it is still flying higher and higher. And if you don't know why it's not only flying now, but will continue to do so, stay tuned to find out. Hello and welcome. I'm Wayne from WES Investments, bringing you stock market news, portfolio updates, and training on how to make money in the market, all on this channel. So if you're interested, consider subscribing. If you are new to eToro, please check out my video on eToro and use the link provided in my description for the free demo account to help support this channel. Now the boring bits first. I'm not a financial professional. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and speak to a financial advisor before investing any money in the stock market. So, the announcement from Games Workshop is that in advance of their AGM on the 16th of September, they wanted to announce sales this quarter were ahead of expectations with an estimate of £90 million of sales compared to £78 million of sales last year for the same quarter. So this is £90 million of sales this quarter. Operating profit is estimated to be £45 million compared to £28 million last year. This excludes £3 million in royalty income, which was only £2 million last year. All of this despite the fact that the retail shops are still suffering due to the global pandemic. They have had huge growth in both online sales and trade sales. Games Workshop always gives back any unneeded profits through dividends, and we're getting 50p per share in October. So bearing in mind, obviously, the share price is in pence. It's currently £100 per share, and you're going to get 50p per share. However, those of you on eToro that currently have only CFDs, you will get yours in September rather than the October that us people who own the actual shares of the company will get. So what does that mean for us going forward, and what were we expecting from this? Well, we were expecting quite a bumper quarter anyway. Games Workshop have just released the latest update to the Warhammer 40,000 universe with the new boxed game. Whenever this is released, Games Workshop always has a really good quarter. And this one was so good that they sold far more of the game than they had made. If you'll remember, a little while back I did do a video update regarding how many units that they were selling and how fast that they sold out. So we were expecting a very good quarter anyway, but a 15% gain is very good. But then you look at the profits, and we're talking about over 50% gain in profits this quarter over the same quarter last year. So they are really ramping up on cost cutting and maximising profits, which is amazing. We also have so many computer games coming out over the coming months and years, so that royalty jump of 50% I think is going to keep jumping up as well. A new Necromunda game that was released just a few days ago. I've been playing it. It's not an amazing game, but it has the potential to be. So if the development team keeps working and improving it, we could see some really great opportunities there as well. And if you want to see my full video on Games Workshop, I've included a link above, in the description below, and there will also be one at the end of this video. What I am seeing from Games Workshop is that they are really leveraging their IP, which is boosting all elements of the business and making a lot of money in the meantime, all in line with my expectations from that last video. I hope you found this video update helpful, and if you have, please be sure to leave me a like. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in my next video.
The hive cities of Necromunda. Untold billions crammed within mountains of metal. Vast insect mounds of tireless industry amid the toxic wastes of their own manufacture. Inside the hive cities, every breath of air, every drop of water is recycled 1,000,000 times over. Every watt of power and each mouthful of food must be guarded against rival clans and outlaws. It is a place where only the strong can endure and no one prospers. Except, of course, those at the very top. And yet, opportunity still exists for the gang bold enough to take it. In the foundation layers of the Underhive, all manner of treasures can still be found. Lost, forgotten, or abandoned in the dark. The only question is, who will get there first?